How to transfer Agoda Cash to bank account. I'm going to tell you how to transfer Agoda Cash to your bank account. But first, a quick clarification. This only applies if you're a property owner or partner on Agoda. If you're a regular traveler with Agoda Cash rewards, those can't be withdrawn. They're just for discounts on future bookings. Now, if you're a property partner, log into Agoda's YCS dashboard. Make sure your payment method is set to bank transfer and that your account details are verified. Then go to Finance, Current Transactions, or Earnings. You'll see a list of bookings that are eligible for payout. Select them, hit Get Payout, confirm the summary, and Agoda will send the funds to your bank within 3 to 5 business days. Just remember, payouts usually unlock 30 days after a guest checks out, and you have 150 days to request them before they expire.